There is a ghost living in your house. It wears your kids' clothes. It eats dinner with you. It says, "Yeah, I'm fine." But the real kid, the one who told you everything, they left a long time ago. You didn't notice. You were too busy parenting, busy fixing, teaching, and worrying. But you forgot to see. And here's the scary part. Your kid has a silent script, truths they will take to the grave. Because you taught them, your truth is not safe here. Your kid looks into your eyes. They see an unfinished project. You see a scholar. They see a kid who just wants to draw. You see a leader. They see someone who wants to be alone. That's when the first crack appears. Every time you say, "Just try a little harder," their brain triggers a silent command. The real version of me is a failure. Stanford research is brutal. When kids don't match expectations, they treat their personality as a system error. They don't strive to get better. They strive to camouflage. Your kid tells you about a hurt. You instantly flip into fix-it mode. You offer solutions. You call the teacher. You lecture. But they didn't need an engineer. They needed a witness. But it gets worse. When you fix their pain, they learn emotions are dangerous things to be managed. Next time, they won't tell you, not because the problem is gone, but because they don't want another PowerPoint on how to live. They would rather drown in silence than be handled. You think you're hiding the stress? They hear you weeping in the kitchen. They feel the heavy silence between you and your partner. Your pain is like smoke. It leaks into every corner. They breathe it in every day. And here's where things break. You say, "Everything is fine." They write horror stories in the dark. They think it's their fault. They think the world is ending. The blunt truth is this: kids handle the truth. They are destroyed by ambiguity. Look at the phone in your hand. Your kid is fighting a device for 5 minutes of your presence, and they are losing. That's when they start giving up. You nod, without looking up. Their self-worth chips away. They learn their own exchange rate. I am worth less than a Facebook notification. They stop asking for your eyes. They find value somewhere else, somewhere you don't exist. But here is what hurts most. They fear disappointing you more than they fear death. They see you're tired. They see you work hard. So they decide, "I will not be another burden." And that's when they disappear. They hide the weakness. They play the good kid. They become an emotional robot. You're proud of how mature they are, but they aren't mature. They are numb. They lie to see you smile. They hide the truth to stop you worrying. They erase themselves just to keep your world stable. You want them back? Don't start with rules or lectures. Start by doing nothing. That's right, do nothing. Just sit there in the silence. Admit that you are also broken sometimes. Show them a human being, not a monument. Don't ask, "Why did you hide this?" Ask, "What did I do to make it feel unsafe to tell me?" Your kid doesn't need a boss. They need a safe harbor. Underneath the silence is a soul screaming, "Do you love me when I have nothing to be proud of?" The answer isn't in your words. It's in the moment you put the phone down and actually look into their eyes. Right now, before the ghost becomes a stranger forever.